Hey, what's up? Sammy here. So this is OPPO's first foldable phone, the OPPO Find N. I bet most of you have watched some reviews from those big YouTubers and have a general idea of the good and the bad of the Find N more or less. Nevertheless, here's my conclusion of the device. I think it is the best foldable phone so far, period. Let me try to walk you through everything about it. Start with the design. Just like the Huawei Mate X2, it has the display on the inside. When you fold it, it turns from a 7.1-inch tablet-style device into a phone, a 5.49-inch mini-size phone. We had the volume rocker and the side-mounted finger recognition scanner on two sides. Then it's OPPO Find X3 style back design, which I really like. Moving on, we can see the well-polished smooth hinge part. OPPO says it withstands 200k times of folding. If you fold 100 times a day, you can fold straight for 5.4 years. I don't know why you want to fold 100 times a day unless you have seizures. Just kidding. On top we have the mic and antenna, while at the bottom are the Type-C port, the SIM card slot, and the dual stereo speaker. Here's the sound if you want to know. Regarding the specs, the OPPO Find N is powered by the Snapdragon 888 chipset with 12 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and 512 gigs of UFS 3.1 storage. The outer 5.49-inch display is an AMOLED panel with Gorilla Glass Victus protection. It has a resolution of 1972 by 988 pixels and a standard refresh rate of 60 Hz. The inner 7.1-inch display has 1792 by 1920 pixels resolution and a 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate. The battery capacity is 4,500 mAh, surprisingly big given its petite size, and it supports 33-watt wired and 15-watt wireless charging. Oh, plus 10-watt reverse charging. How can we miss the camera? The phone is equipped with a total of 5 cameras. 3 on the back and 2 selfie cameras, 1 on each screen. This being foldable means that you can use the main cameras for the selfie too. Speaking of, the wide camera features a 50MP Sony IMX766 sensor. It's joined by a 60MP ultra-wide and 30MP telephoto cameras. We just took some photos inside the OPPO Inno Day venue. Here they are. Though I don't have much time to go deep with it, I think it's definitely flagship level and enough for daily tasks. And speaking of that, sure, there are some innovative software set optimizations OPPO has made just to make sure your daily tasks go even smoother. You can swipe from the top to split the screen in half. On one side is where the previous app left. You can also open a new app. Just imagine working on one side and at the same time flirting with girls on the other side. That would be awesome. And you can adjust the size of each side. Also, when you clear the app, the previous one still remains the same splitting status as the video shows. One other great feature I forgot to demo is the free suspension, meaning you can use half screen to display the content, but the other half acts as a support, so you can free your hands while you're listening to music, watch movies, working out, or even use it to take videos by yourself. But yeah, make sure other people don't steal it, because it's such a good phone. Okay. Now to answer why I think this is the best foldable phone so far, I know it's still not perfect, like some apps still need some time to optimize to match the screen perfectly, but still, it's the best on the market today. Firstly, the OPPO Find N just nailed the size and the weight. For the size, you can hold it in one hand, either folded or unfolded. The 275 grams by far is the best weight you can get from a foldable phone. The moment you hold it in your hand, you know you can use just like a normal phone. That's my first impression. Secondly, it's a comfortable design. Finally, there's no strange aspect ratio on the foldable phone. No gap or no increase there. At least I didn't notice any of those. Thirdly, I have to mention its unbelievable price. It's on the screen. You can check it out. Currently, this device is only available in China, but I'm pretty sure will be available globally. This video sounds like an ad for OPPO, though OPPO didn't pay me. I'm just too excited about this device. With the normal flagship phone price, you can get the newest cool foldable phone. Who wouldn't want? For me, I really appreciate OPPO's huge effort in populating this innovative tech to let everyone enjoy a better life. I'm Sammy, I will see you in the next one. Okay.